What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find Moonshot accounts. For that, we can come to a platform known as SoulScan. In case you guys don't have a Moonshot account, you can go and make one from the link in description below this video. As Moonshot operates on meme coins, so we're going to search a token right here, and we're going to search the accounts associated with it. So for example, this token right here, the Trump coins. So we're gonna go onto the holder section. As you guys can see, these are all the accounts associated with that meme coin. You can check their history in order to see if any of the activity is related to Moonshot. Similarly, you can head over to another platform known as Solana Explorer and find more accounts associated with a meme coin. This is Solana Explorer, and you can use these two platforms for this purpose. Well, that's how you can do this. I hope you found this video helpful.